Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. These are commercial stylings, the countertop seasoning containers. And let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the units, they are about like a 32.5 inches in the length. And the depth about like a 9 inches. And the overall height is also about like a 9 inches too. So as we can see, this unit is coming with a single rows and with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 containers inside. And each container they coming with the lids and the spoons. And when we move it from the units, let me give you the measurements for these containers. It's about like a 7 inches in the length, 6.5 inches in the width, and depth about like a 6 inches too. And all the container bases, they're having a space at the bottoms. So basically you can put some ice dropping in here to keeping cold temperatures. And also the unit was made by stainless steels. This container and the lids and the major body. Only the spoon is PVC. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.